In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Wix website using AI. Wix's AI website builder makes it incredibly easy to design a professional looking site, even if you have no prior experience. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Wix AI website builder. Once the page loads, click on the Create with AI button. This will launch Wix's AI-powered setup process. If you don't already have a Wix account, you'll be prompted to create one by entering your email and setting a password. If you already have an account, simply log in. After signing in, Wix AI will ask you a few questions about the type of website you want to create. This may include whether your site is for a business, portfolio, blog, or personal project, along with your style preferences and goals. Answer these questions carefully, as they help the AI generate a website that fits your needs. Once you've provided your details, the AI will automatically create a website layout for you. This includes page structure, design elements, and suggested content. You can preview the site and make changes at any time. Wix allows you to customize colors, fonts, images, and sections so your site reflects your brand or personal style. Take a few moments to review everything and make any final adjustments. When you're happy with how your site looks, click Publish and your website will go live instantly. And that's it. You've successfully created a Wix website using AI. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your new site with Wix's powerful AI tools.